We have reached the Amazon, the world's largest river, where 2/3 of the planet's fresh water is found. Our destination is the town of Santarém, a trading point where the Tapajós River meets the mighty Amazon. And our guide was the remarkable ecologist Gil Serique.
Okay, it's lost. Up here, right here, look at that. Segura na real, parceiro. Can you see them? It's right here. Look at they have long arms. They're natural predators, harp eagles and anacondas and boa constrictors. And look, he has a little baby with it. This is like a glorious moment.
Gil's rainforest is home to over 1/3 of the world's plants and animals. 2,000 species of fish are found in its waters. That's more than the entire Atlantic Ocean. And includes the piranha.
Piranhas, we got 20 different species. We can distinguish 5 with naked eyes. They're all omnivorous. Well, most of them actually feed on vegetal matter. But I know only one case of a person being eaten by piranhas.
When we met Gil, it was the rainy season, and the river had risen an incredible 9 meters, flooding much of the low-lying land.
We're in the heart of a floodplain. The major difference now between now and the dry season is that the animals that would be here in the dry season are replaced by fish, except for anacondas and boa constrictors that during the dry season they come and they live on the ground, but right now they go up and they live up on the trees.
It is impossible to understate how important the Amazon is for our planet. The trees alone create 20% of the world's oxygen and are home to 1 in 5 of all of the planet's birds. On the ground, a huge number of our everyday foods and materials originated in the rainforest.
2 major species that we export to all over the world. One of them is cocoa, which belongs to the genus Theobroma, which means food of the god, and the other one is raba. Both of them we have 2 plantations in this particular area. But it has to be a special knife, but this one is not a special knife, but you may see the sap oozing at any moment. So the importance of the sap is because it contains 35% of the raba in it. The comfort of your tire when you ride in your bicycle, when you next time you change the wheels of a car, this is all, even next time you put your tennis shoes in. But this is all about raba. This is a native species in the Amazon. Everything originated here.
But almost more important than this are the things we have not yet discovered about the rainforest. A staggering 25% of Western medicines come from rainforest ingredients, and yet scientists have tested less than 1% of tropical plants.
The importance of rainforests is all this magnificent biodiversity that lives in it. It should be protected, and it's beautiful and you don't even know much about it. It'd be like destroying a book that we haven't read. Let's put it that way.
The rainforest is a vast encyclopedia of knowledge, whose pages we have barely turned. To lose this forest, and the people within it, would be to forego this knowledge and the vast improvements it could make to our lives.